அடுத்து ஸ்பீச் குர்ஆன் அதனை வழங்குவதற்காக என் ஹாஃபில் அகமட்.
Respectable guest, principal, teachers and my dear friends, all of you, Assalamu alaikum. I am going to speak about Quran. Respect the Quran. It is a holy book. Allah gave books to the Prophet to Muslim believes not the books of Allah. The book given to the Prophet Muhammad is called the